Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we're gonna look at one question from circular measures. So in this question, a metal plate is made from two circles. One circle of the radius is 7 centimeter and the other circle is the radius 5 centimeter, and their centers are 9 centimeter apart. So in the first part it says find in radians angle AC1B and AC2B. Okay, let's try to draw these triangles. So let's say this is A, C1, C2. Similarly, if we extend this, so this will be B. So here we know this length is 5 centimeter, this is 7 centimeter and 9 centimeter. So initially, to find an angle, let's say if we wish to find AC1B, so what we can do here, since we know this triangle and this triangle like AC1 C2, we know all the sides. So let's say if we wish to find this angle at the first place, so we can use cosine rule. So cos of angle C1 is equal to seven square plus 9 square minus 5 square over 2 times 7 times 9. So if we use the calculator here, so this angle C1 will be 0.5856. So we already know this angle, and since you know this is the similar behavior, so this is also 5, this is 7, and this is 9 for this. So if we double the angle, so we will get this one. So that's mean angle AC1B will be 2 times of 0.5856 radian, and that will be equal to 1.17 radiant. So the first part of this for finding angle AC1B we are done. So now this time let's see how we will find AC2. So similar procedure you can try. So this time for angle AC2B, so again we'll split this triangle. So let's say this time we are going to consider this angle. We are trying to find this angle between AC2 C1. So then again we can apply cosine rule. So cos of angle C2, so this time it can be 9 squared plus 5 squared minus 7 squared, 2 times 9 times 5. So using calculator, angle C2 will be 0.8849 radian. So again we know this angle and we double this to find this angle. So which mean angle AC2B will be 2 times 0.8849 radian. So if we double this, so this will be 1.77 radian.